I've been doing medical administration for the past decade or so, but I was based primarily in Australia for that and using government systems because I was operating within the state government. So coming over here, I started managing the clinic that I'm at now in May, so I had to learn Charm from scratch, and they had user interface change and updates, and that was all really cool because it actually made it a lot easier to use. And then I have to teach interns and new staff how to use Charm as well. But it makes my job super easy because there's videos. So they have these videos and they're all sectioned by what you need to learn. So you don't have to watch one full-length video and only if you only need to learn how to schedule or you only need to learn how to bill, you don't need to learn the whole system. They actually categorize the videos of the segment that you need to learn, which makes it really easy so you can just learn what you need to learn. So that's been really good. I find Charm very easy to use. With the introduction of the new user interface, I find navigating around extremely easy, and having to do over the phone support to practitioners, when they get a bit lost on something, it's actually super easy to tell them how to do something because the interface is so simple to use. Even if you haven't watched all of the how-to videos, you can kind of have an idea of what to do just because it's set out so simply. The feature that we most use would be the charting, and that's so important because we have an integrated health clinic. So we have NDs, we have acupuncturists, we have massage therapists, we have counselors who then specialize in different types of counseling as well. And it's for someone to have a full integrated healthcare system where they're looking after the whole person, being able to actually have the charting system where everyone can integrate their chart notes with each other. You can go back and read someone else's chart notes. That's so important, and it makes the patient feel like they aren't just one of the many, like they are the person in that appointment with the doctor. So it makes it super easy for the practitioner to actually know everything that's going on with them, which is amazing because otherwise you go to a practice and you have to repeat your story and you don't actually feel like you're getting anywhere with your health journey. So when you can actually use a software system like Charm that makes the patient feel valued and feel like their health journey is going forward, that's really what we're looking for. I would absolutely recommend Charm to any practice that's looking to make a difference in their patients' lives. CharmHealth 2017 so far has actually been really cool. It's got really good food. They've catered to all of my allergies and my sensitivities, which has been really awesome. So far, it's been really interactive. They've, really made people pay attention. And anytime, you're allowed to ask questions, and then there's a break for going out and taking a hike in the middle of the day and really being able to breathe in some of the fresh air, which kind of gets your brain going. So when I was sitting in the conference, I'm learning about all of these features that I didn't know existed, because when you come on and you have to manage an entire practice that has 10 different practitioners who do 10 different things, you've got, NDs and you've got RMTs and you've got, therapists and acupuncturists. So I didn't have a lot of time to sit down and learn everything, but coming to the conference, I can now actually see how we can switch into using just the one system. Instead of using 3 different confusing systems, we can now use Charm for everything, which is really awesome. I was actually sitting with the girl sitting next to me. I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm really excited to get into this category next, like inventory. And then I was really excited to learn about all of the different kind of appointments that you can make and how to schedule everything properly. So I found myself fully engaged and actually really excited to be learning about all of the things that Charm can really do for your business. Absolutely. I would highly recommend the conference to people who are wanting to learn more about Charm and wanting to really expand their practices. So if they're looking to open a practice and have a software that's going to be able to support everything, I would absolutely recommend that they do this conference. Yeah.